The Internet of Things is too complex to be handled by just one company looking at one element of the value chain. And being here in a partnership with Kontron and Intel, we cover almost the whole value chain of Internet of Things, from the device over platforms to, let's say, horizontal services. And I think this is the partnership that can really grow.
We are working together because we are talking about IoT, and this has been going on now for several years, at least, our relationship, and we're continuing to build. And being that today was the reopening of the Intel IoT Labs, we thought it would be a good idea to show some of the people what we're doing and to get them interested in us and perhaps even collaborating with us in the near future.
Our connectivity services are core. We provide them since a long time of years, and we will develop them and enhance them with security and so forth. But Internet of Things is not only about transporting data, it's about using data, storing, providing back to you customers, and therefore we develop new platform services. The scooter illustrates, I think, the real connection of Internet of Things. On the one hand, consumer-based, but industry-based as well. On the one hand, it's really neat for consumer to know how the battery, because it's an e-scooter, how the battery is loaded or not, and what kind of, let's say, neat tricks to be used. On the other hand, the producer of the scooter can use the data to enhance the next, let's say, series of the scooters. So you combine leisure and user experience with real industry-based data.
So Kontron has contributed one of our gateways from our industrial computer platform, so then it can then connect to the cloud and that data can be looked at and analyzed. So taking it one step further, in the future perhaps insurance companies are using these sensors to collect data about drivers, and then the drivers can then in fact save money based on the way that they're driving.
I think in the connected world, all different kinds of industry grow together. And I would be spoiled if I'm saying telecom could deliver in all industries, and therefore we just look at every kind of partners who are the best in their industry, and then we partner with to deliver a one-stop solution, as Amanda already said.
Well, I think the importance of innovation is exactly why we're here today. So Intel has these great IoT labs, and coming from Kontron or Telecom, the idea really is to start with proof of concepts and make those concepts reality. So IoT is so big, everyone's talking about it, but a lot of people are just talking, and I think Telecom and Kontron and Intel are actually showing what we can achieve together, and that is absolutely critical.